Ever wondered which guard dogs stand out from the pack? Well, you're about to find out. At number 4 we've got the Doberman Pinscher. Known for their loyalty and intelligence, these dogs are quick to learn and eager to protect. Sliding into the 3rd spot is the German Shepherd. A favorite among police and military units worldwide, their courage and versatility are unparalleled. Taking the silver medal is the Rottweiler. Their strength, endurance, and protective instincts make them a formidable guard dog. And crown holder, the number 1, is none other than the Bull Mastiff. Bred specifically for guarding, their size and natural instincts make them an excellent choice for home protection. So, there you have it, the top 4 guard dogs. Remember, every dog needs training and love to excel. Until next time, stay safe and keep wagging.